Pi Network is now entering one of the most important stages in its journey, and the latest Protocol V23 upgrade could play a major role in shaping its future. The Pi core team is focusing on improving network security, blockchain stability, faster synchronization, and stronger node performance. This update is especially important for Pi node operators today. Older node versions may eventually lose compatibility with the network, causing synchronization issues and reduced participation. But Protocol V23 is not just a technical update. It is part of a much larger vision. Pi Network is slowly evolving from a mobile mining project into a complete blockchain ecosystem for future global adoption. If the platform successfully launches smart contracts, developer tools, ecosystem apps, and a launchpad for new projects, Pi could move into an entirely new phase of growth. Smart contracts would allow developers to build decentralized apps, payment systems, marketplaces, games, and real-world utilities directly on the Pi blockchain. At the same time, a launchpad system could help developers create businesses and applications powered by Pi Coin, increasing real utility and transaction activity across the ecosystem. This is where the future of Pi truly depends, not on hype, but on real usage, active users, strong infrastructure, and useful applications inside the network. Protocol V23 may be laying the foundation for that future. However, Pi Network still faces major challenges, including scalability, exchange adoption, security, ecosystem quality, and global competition. The big question now is simple. Can Pi Network successfully transform from a mining community into a fully functional digital economy?
Pi Network could be entering one of its most important growth phases yet, and many supporters are watching these possible bull case scenarios closely. In the conservative growth scenario, if the ecosystem expands slowly but steadily, Pi could trade between 30 cents and 80 cents. This would depend on gradual adoption, more apps, and stable network development. The next major level comes from strong Protocol 23 adoption. If node operators successfully upgrade and the network becomes faster, safer, and more scalable, Pi could potentially move into the $1 to $2 range. But if Pi gains major exchange expansion during a strong crypto alt season, momentum could accelerate dramatically. Increased liquidity and global exposure may push prices toward the $2 to $4 zone. And finally, in the most bullish scenario, full speculative mania combined with real ecosystem utility, some supporters believe Pi could even break above $5. Of course, these are speculative targets, not guarantees. The future of Pi Network will depend on adoption, utility, exchange growth, and the overall crypto market.